Your Excellency, karibu. Tutaanza kwa maombi. Naomba tutulie ili tuanze kwa maombi, na tutaongozwa kwa maombi by Emmanuel John Mwirigi, a student. Emmanuel, tuombe tafadhali.
Good morning. My name is Emmanuel John Mwirigi. My name is Emmanuel John Mwirigi. Let's bow down and pray. Dear God, we come to you this morning. Thank you for this day. Thank you for our new school, Lenana School Primary. Thank you for our President William Ruto. Thank you for our Governor Johnson Sakaja. Thank you for our MP John Kiare. Thank you for our head teacher Mrs. Nyayo. Thank you for this day. Amen.
Thank you, President. Allow me, Your Excellency, at this point to invite the chairman to just briefly welcome us. Chairman, if we can kindly just come, yes, come on stage. Chairman Dr. Simon Rubendegwa, to give us a very, very brief introduction and then welcome the area MP.